Hi, today we are going to begin with lesson number 5, solve equation. An equation is a statement about the equality of two expressions. So it is expression 1 equal to expression 2. There's an equal sign. So x plus 5 equal to 20 is an equation because it has an equal sign. 2x plus 5x equal 10 is an equation because there is an equal sign. X equal to 4 plus 25 is an equation because it has an equal sign. X plus 5, no equal sign. So therefore it is an expression, algebraic expression. 2 times parenthesis x plus 4 is also an expression because there is no equal sign. We use inverse operation to solve equations. So let's review what I mean by inverse operation. Inverse operation means the opposite operation. So the inverse operation of addition is subtraction because they're opposite. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. The inverse operation of multiplication is division because they're opposite. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. We're going to practice how to use inverse operation to solve for x. Let's take a look at number 1. X plus 9 equal to 103. So the equal sign divide the equation into two parts. So we have the left and the right. The left we have x plus 9 and the right is 103. So we are trying to isolate the x or keep the x by itself. We want to make the plus 9 disappear. To make it disappear, we have to use opposite, plus, so we do minus. So we do minus 9, and we have to balance. So because we do minus 9 on the left, we have to do minus 9 on the right. Now let's see how the 9 disappear. 9 minus 9 equals 0. So therefore we have x plus 0 equal 103 minus 9. 103 minus 9 equal 94. So it turned into x plus 0 equal to 94. And x plus 0, anything plus 0 stay the same. So therefore we get x equal to 94. That's how it disappeared. The inverse operation made the 9 disappear. Now, sometimes we want to write a little bit less. So we know that the inverse of plus is minus. So we do minus and then minus on the right side. 9 minus 9 is 0, it disappears. So therefore we just write down x instead of x plus 0. And then we use the calculator. 103 minus 9 equal 94. So x equal 94. So this is a shorter version. This is the original version. Now let's take a look at number 2. This is the middle of the equation. On the left, we have x minus 3.5. So we want to keep the x and we want to make the minus 3.5 disappear. Minus, so we do plus. So we do plus 3.5 on the left. And to balance, we have to do the same thing to the right. So plus 3.5. Now let's see how the minus 3.5 disappear. Minus, we have to type in negative. We cannot use the minus sign in the calculator. We have to use negative symbol. So now plus 3.5. So it turned into 0. The opposite operation or the inverse operation make this become 0, so it disappears. So I'm going to write down x. And this time I'm not going to write down plus 0 because you already know that it's going to disappear. So we're going to x equal, use 6.9 plus 3.5. So we get 10.4. So we finished question number 2. Yesterday we used 3 and a big dot in the middle. This means 3 times 5. So if we want to use decimal, so you have to put the point lower, 3.5. That is decimal. Okay, so a big dot in the middle, it means multiply. This means decimal. Now let's take a look at number 3. 45x equal to 2,925. No symbol, it means multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. 45 in front of x, so therefore we divide by 45. 45x, so divide by 45, and balance, we divide by 45. So now let's see what happens if you do 45 divided by 45. 45 divided by 45 equals 1. So this turns into 1x. 1x means x. So that's exactly what we want. So we have 2,925 divided by 45, and we get 65. So therefore, we have 1x equal to 65. 1x means x, so therefore x equal to 65. So we finished question number 3. Let's take a look at number 4. So on the left side, we have x over 7. This means division. X is divided by 7. To get rid of the 7, we had to use the opposite operation or the inverse operation. So division, we had to use multiplication. So to have to multiply, we multiply the denominator. The denominator is 7, so therefore we times 7. And to balance, we multiply by 7 also. Times 7 on the left, and then times 7 on the right. So 7 and this 7, they cancel out and become 1x. Just like this one over here, you get 45 over 45 become 1. So you get 7 over 7 is 1, so 1x. So now we have to use the calculator. 23 times 7, 161. So therefore, we get 1x equal to 161. 1x means x, so x equal to 161. So we finished question number 4. Let's take a look at number 5. X over 6 equal 15. That means x divided by 6 equal 15. So this is the middle. Division. In order to undo the division, we do multiplication. We multiply. The denominator is 6, so we times 6. And we balance. We multiply the same number to the right side. Times 6, then times 6. So the 6 and the 6 will simplify. So we will get 1x equal 15 times 6 equal to 90. So therefore, we have 1x equal to 90. 1x means x, so x equal to 90. So we finished number 5. Let's take a look at number 6. So the middle is right here. On the left side, we get 4x plus 6x. They are like terms. Same variable, same exponent, so we can combine like terms. They're both on the left, so we can combine them. So now we are going to do 4 plus 6. 4x plus 6, 4 plus 6. We combine the coefficients, so we get 10. So we have 10x equal 380. 10x means multiplication, so the inverse will be division. So we divide by 10. 10x divided by 10 had to be the same number. So we divide by 10 to the right side to balance. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So we get 1x equal 380 divided by 10 is 38. So therefore, we have 1x equal 38. 1x means x, so x equal 38. Now we finished question number 6. Let's go to number 7. Negative 3x plus 8x equal to 405. So on the left side, we also have the like terms. We are going to combine them. So now we are going to combine like terms. Negative 3x plus 8x. So you do negative 3 plus 8. So we get 5. So we have 5x equal 405. So 5x, this is multiplication. So we do division. 5x, so divide by 5. So now 5 divided by 5 is 1. You got 405 divided by 5, 81. So when x equal 81, so x equal to 81. X is 1x. When x equal 81, so x equal to 81. Now you're ready to do some question by yourself. Number 8 to 11, start for x, do by yourself. So I'm going to give you 1 minute. I believe you can finish all of them in 1 minute. Take out your calculator, pen and pencil. After 1 minute, I will go over the questions. Okay, I think you're ready. Now let's take a look at number 8. X plus 28 equal to 204. So on the left side, we want to eliminate the plus 28. So to eliminate the 28, so we do minus 28, plus minus. So to balance, we minus 28. This is going to be x because the 28 disappear. So we have equal. We use our calculator. We subtract 204 minus 28, 176. So therefore the answer is x equal to 176. Number 9, we have 9x equal to 342. Multiplication, so we do division. 9x, we divide by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1, so we get 1x equal. Now we type in 342 divided by 9, you get 38. So 1x equal to 38, x equal to 38. Number 10, x over 3 equal to 46. This is division, so therefore we are going to multiply the denominator 3 both sides. 3 times 3, then times 3. So simplify, we got 1x. So now we have 138. 1x equal 138, so x equal 138. Number 11, like terms on the left, so we're going to combine like terms. Negative 4 plus 6, 2. So 2x equal 130. 2x. Multiplication, so we have to divide by 2. 2x divided by 2. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we get 1x equal 130 divided by 2 is 65. So 1x equal 65. So x equal 65. So we finished question number 11. We finished today's lesson. Now you can go to complete your summary and the 4 multiple choice questions.